Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase wallet app and wondering on how to buy 888 crypto on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy 888 crypto on the Coinbase wallet app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase wallet on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar at the top just right here. Then type 888 crypto just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the only one 888 crypto. Now tap on it. Now here you can find the buy option just right here. Now tap on it. Now here is the thing, if you don't have the available funds on the Coinbase wallet app, then you cannot buy it. And if you have the available funds, then you can only buy it after that. Before buying it, you need to have the available funds on your bank account or your payment card. And that's it. This is how you can buy 888 crypto on the Coinbase wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.